Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. So today we are going to learn how to read the environment variables from the Node.js. So let's start how we are going to do that. Before that, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have on the code. So we are going to make a new directory. Make directory. We can say environment. Okay, we are going to make environment make directory cd environment. Okay, and here we are going to add npm init -y for creating a project. So it is created, and you can see that where is environment. So it is created right now. So we are here. You need to add create a new file, that is touch.env. So I have created this file touch.env. Here we need to define the port. So I'm going to define the port. It's to be 3000, right? 3000. It should be run on the port number 3000. And let's add the code over here. Just we are going to get the variables. How we are going to read the variables, right? So we need to require this file in the index.js file. So I'm going to create our index.js file here. Touch index.js. Okay, so the file is created. Let's open it. So here index.js file is there. Open it. Okay, or I'm going to open in this Visual Studio. Okay, so here env index.js, right? So here we can include this file, required .env file. I think we should add the .env package also. So I'm going to add the .env. Okay, npm package. So copy it and add npm my.env. Okay, so .env is added. Now I'm going to console the log. How we are going to read the files? Just console.log. Here I'm going to add process.env dot port port. This is the variable name which I have added. So let's try to run the variable. Is it fetching it or not? Here we can see that the port is 3000. So let's check out how we are going. It's printing a console.log or not. So in node index.js. Okay, so you can see that the port number is visible right now. You can see that I have printed the port number, right? You can print anything here. You can add like smtp smtp underscore username, and here I'm going to add username would be here we can add Rajni 90. Okay, so I have put the username. I can also get this variable in the index.js by print like this writing console.log. The main funda is like process.env and the variable name. That is the main funda. Let me add one more variable, process dot env dot smtp username. So let's have a look. Is it printing or not? See, so this is how we are able to read from the environment variable. We can read the environment variables from the env file. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.